Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Priming a mechanical fuel pump is a common task for older car owners. You often need to do this after the car sits for a long time. It is also necessary after replacing the pump or fuel lines. A dry pump cannot always pull fuel from the tank easily. One simple way to prime it is by using the starter. Crank the engine in short bursts. Do not overheat the starter motor. This method can take a while. Another way is to use an external fuel source. Connect a small gas can to the pump inlet with a hose. This gravity feeds the pump directly. You can also pour a little gas into the carburetor vent tube. This fills the float bowl and lets the engine run. Once the engine starts, it will pull fuel from the main tank. Some people use compressed air in the gas tank. Wrap a rag around an air nozzle at the filler neck. Apply very low pressure to push fuel forward. Be careful not to blow out any seals or lines. Always keep a fire extinguisher nearby when working with gas. Check for leaks at every connection point. Look for fuel moving through your clear filter if you have one. Once the lines are full, the engine should idle smoothly. This process saves wear on your battery and starter. It ensures your classic car starts up without a struggle. Proper priming protects the pump diaphragm from excessive damage. Now your fuel system is completely ready for the open road. You have successfully primed your system and can drive with total confidence.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.